Sanitation workers in India have faced caste-based discrimination, occupational stigma, loss of health and life, and invisibility within the system. To right this generational injustice, the government of Odisha launched the Garima scheme for ensuring the safety and dignity of core sanitation workers in all cities. The first step towards any such initiative is to identify sanitation workers, a majority of whom are invisible, owing to their informal nature of employment. With a motto of "Leaving no one behind," the Urban Management Centre supported the government to launch the first ever exhaustive pilot enumeration exercise in 6 largest cities. We sought help from volunteers of the Safai Karamchari Andolan, who were from the sanitation workers community, along with the existing field-level sanitation cadres of Shwaas Sathis and sanitary inspectors. The enumerators listed the bastis where sanitation workers reside. City nodal officers conducted community meetings to introduce the scheme and the objective of the survey. Massive communication drive helped build trust among sanitation workers. The city officials conducted a validation exercise and sought feedback from the community. The entire enumeration process has been done digitally. The beneficiary management system, called Shwaas, which means breath in Hindi, is the backbone to ensure transparency and real-time monitoring of the database. Shwaas has built-in tools for quality checks, validation, monitoring of the survey at city, district and state levels. Shwaas identifies gaps in provision of social schemes such as subsidized food, insurance, healthcare. List of such workers who have not availed these benefits can be easily collated and provided to concerned departments. Intergenerationality in sanitation work is very high, and linking children of sanitation workers with educational programs of the government will ensure that they are able to pursue higher education and opt for alternate livelihoods. These 6 pilot cities then conducted camps to provide identity cards to all workers. These identity cards provide recognition to workers and will ensure access to schemes. Such surveys are now being replicated across the remaining 105 cities through the city's own staff. Teams from Urban Management Centre trained Shwaas Sathis to conduct surveys using Shwaas. The Housing and Urban Development Department of Odisha has sanctioned remuneration for Shwaas Sathis for each validated survey. The city officials have also learned and owned up the task of monitoring the quality of the surveys. These learnings and the digital tool will now be replicated in the state of Tamil Nadu for a similar exhaustive survey across the state. This methodology of visibilizing the invisible has also been recognized by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, for replicating nationally.